Hello. So I created a Minecraft server on one of my computers at home, and it's the pure vanilla server from Mojang. I thought I would create a so-called spigot server which let you run plugins, but some of the plugins that I wanted to use didn't really work properly, or they did some weird stuff with the server. I couldn't use some commands and stuff even though I were operator. So I decided just go pure vanilla, and this is Minecraft 1.13.2 when I record this. And I'm actually going to keep this world forever. So as long as the world works on the server, I'm going to keep it. So when, for example, Minecraft 1.14 is released, I will update the server, but I'm not going to do a world reset. It's just too much annoying. So I will see how long this world will actually last and work. It will last forever as long as it works. And previously I had a thing called a permissions plugin, and with that you could have different groups, and each group could have different permissions, letting people do stuff. And I could have like a VIP group, and that VIP group could change, game mode and stuff. But I can't really do that right now with vanilla. So what I will do instead is to have command blocks in people's bases, for example, to teleport to the base or to the spawn, And I will also have a sort of teleport room that will go to different places. And yeah, so I also have a shop system based on sort of XP levels. So you buy items with XP levels. But right here at spawn I have the end portal tower and the end portal tower. That's kind of it. And here are some kind of rules. First rule, of course, you should build your base at least 1000 blocks away from spawn. I couldn't really fit spawn on the sign there, but 1000 blocks away from spawn. Rule number 2, don't be a dick. If you are, you will be banned. And you will be permanently banned. There's no, I'm sorry. No. If you are banned, you are permanently banned. Then you have this starter kit here. So this is for everyone. And I can set up command blocks to be used by only a specific people as well. But this one is for everyone, so if you click on it, you will get this kind of starter kit. Some tools and stuff, boat and food and torches and some armor. Some basic stuff. And over here in the nether, you have this command block. This is for everyone too. So if you click here, hello pigman, you can get up here and go into the nether. And we're now right over here. I don't really have a nether hub at the moment. I don't really care about nether hub either, because normally I just use the nether as a subway to different areas. But since I'm going to use command blocks instead, I'm not going to use the subway. So I'm only using the nether right now for the XP farm. Close it. And right over here you have another command block to the XP farm, and it's the Ilmango farm. So when you get up here, you are pointing in this direction so that you can see there's a bow and arrow. So you click here, you get the bow and arrow, and that is to trigger the pigmen, to aggro them. And if you look on the other side over here, you have, if you want to get back down, you have the nether hub there to get back down. And then you have the storage. There's a storage area down there. So yeah, here are gold nuggets and some gold stuff, gold ingots and rotten flesh. And if you remove an item here, it will automatically just refill. And I also have a couple of data packs on the server or on the world, so you can actually turn rotten flesh into leather, diamonds and emeralds. So if you put them in a furnace, it will be leather, and if you craft them, they will be diamonds and stuff. And I put the recipes on my blog, and I put a link to that in the video description. So yeah, this is the farm. To get back up again, you just look down and press this button. So yeah, this is the farm. And I think the tutorial says that you can use any block, but I noticed that sometimes there will be baby pigmen spawning, and they are sitting on chickens. So it's a pigman jockey sitting on chickens, and they won't really get down here. So that's why I actually put the magma blocks here, so that the chicken will die actually, and leave the baby chicken here. And I modified the original design as well, because in Minecraft 1.13 these slabs weren't here before. So when they weren't here, the baby pigmen kind of got stuck here in the corner, just staring at you. And that will decrease the mob spawning. So, but if you put the slabs here, they will get up here and then get down there and die. So instead of having this regular stairs here, I have the slabs. So yeah, this is the XP farm, and that's the only thing I have right now in the nether. Okay, so let's get back over here. And in the tower, if you need to get back down, just click here. Yeah, it's dark. And everything is quite lit up as well. So no mobs will spawn here. Okay, so then we have to the left of this here, I can actually show you the end as well, the end portal. I haven't built anything in the end yet. I will have the Ilmango farm in here as well, the Enderman farm. Yeah, I've been killing some stuff. And nothing here yet. The dragon egg is still here. So yeah, that's that. And over here there's also a sign saying shop. So you click here, you will get over here. And this is actually the sort of teleport central. So over here I will later on just put signs here and saying where the place goes to, and then you just click over here to get there. And there are let's see, there are 4 levels total, and at the top there's nothing here, just empty, and it's actually a big mushroom that I built, and this is the actual textures for it, the inside textures. So yeah, there's nothing here yet. So 1, 2, 3, 4 levels and 5 with the top level, but I think I will have the player bases at the top, and then on each level here it will go to different farms and stuff. So we'll see how we'll do that. And if you go outside here, you have this building, and this is actually the shop, and there are 4 of them. So there's one over there, and one on the other side. And right now every single building here, they have the same items, but I will change them later on if people want me to add more stuff. So yeah, so you get in here, and yeah, by the way, while I'm here, I actually fly when it's dark. You see, this is the big mushroom, and if you see this area, you see the 4 houses over here. So the mushroom is the base, the teleport central, and each of these buildings are the shops. And I put some fences around here and lit it up so nothing can spawn inside here. No animals or no mobs. Or, yeah, animals can spawn but no mobs. And the shop, by the way, it's based on XP levels. So if I go into survival, you see I don't have any XP levels at all. And if I click here, nothing happens. I don't get any diamond helmet. And that's because I don't have enough XP levels. And right now every single item have the same sort of price. I might change that later on as well. I thought I would let the players vote on it. But yeah, you need at least 36 XP levels to buy an item. So that's why you need to go in the Nether, the XP farm there, and then you can buy stuff. So I'm just going to give myself some XP levels. Now we're at the 1000 levels. So now I can actually buy stuff. And if I click right now, you see I have 1000 levels. If I click, you see now I have 964. So when you buy this item, it will cost you 36 XP levels, and it will withdraw it from your quote-unquote account. And these things have, enchantments. Same thing with all of this, and you see now I got 856 levels. And of course I got some tools here and swords. So yeah, sword mobs catch me outside. Should be catch me outside originally. So catch me outside, how about that? And yeah, over here I got some more. I got an axe, the pooper scooper. You can see now I got 748 XP levels. And here you got some pickaxes and stuff with enchantments. So yeah, let's just get back to creative. And then I think I got, if you don't want to have the pre-made enchantment tools, you can buy books. So if you want to enchant your tools yourself, you can buy books. So you have a mending book over here. So yeah, Silk Touch, Fortune 3, and Breaking, and it's the top levels of everything. Yeah, And then you have regular items, 4 stacks of coal, 1 stack of diamonds, 3 stack iron ingots. So yeah, name tags. I think I got somewhere a beacon, yeah, beacon over here. So yeah, there's a shop here, so we'll see if I want to add stuff later on. So if you have the fortune pick, you can get nether quartz. Oh, okay, just nether quartz by itself. Blaze rods, nether warts. So yeah, that's the shop. So that's kind of how it works. It's turning in today. So yeah, this is the kind of shop area and the teleport central. And that's what I built so far. I don't really have my own base yet, because I just created this server. So yeah, kind of a fun little mushroom. So I thought before I start to build my own base, I thought I would have this spawn area and the shops and stuff done already. And then I will start to create the different automatic farms and stuff like that. And when I build the farms, I will also add the teleport in here as well to that farm. And the same thing when people start to join the server, they will have a place here, so I can get easily to them. And I also have some data packs right now. I think I got 6 or 7. One of them is, for example, magnet mode, and you can activate a trigger, and then you have the magnet mode. And what magnet mode does, for example, if you drop an item like this, you see it's just lying there, and you basically almost have to stand on it to pick it up. But if you actually activate the magnet mode, you have it enabled, you will pick up automatically items within an 8x8 block area. So the item can be 8 blocks away and you can pick it up. So if I just drop it like this, you see I just pick it up again. Whoop. So yeah. So if you are kind of mining and stuff and it drops down, you can easily just pick it up. So yeah. And I got a couple other things, and one thing that when you are in the XP farm, you need to have this disabled, otherwise you will actually pick up the gold nuggets and stuff. So be careful with the magnet mode when you use it in the XP farm. But yeah, almost 20 minutes. So let's get back over here in the center of this teleport. You see it says spawn. So if you click the center here, dunk, you get right back to spawn. So yeah, catch you outside. How about that?